All right, we're in the Palisades today. Outdoor sink. They had all this stuff here already. Install the sink, the faucet. And what's kind of peculiar here, you got one stub out water line, and you got the drain right there. That'll be fine. So this will be fun. All right. Okay, they got the basket strainer for me. I've actually installed these before. I've actually installed these with these gaskets, but I'm good, dog. I'm good. I'm sticking with putty. So the way it works is you put the basket strainer on, and then, well, I guess that's the basket strainer, whatever you call it, I don't know. And then this actually is a screw. And then you just tighten that up to get something bigger than that, but you get the picture. Now, I saw that they have this extension, but there's only one stub out here, folks. So I don't know what they want me to do here. I'm gonna have to ask them. So we have the water lines. That's as far as they'll go. They will not reach the Anglo stop. 3/8 by 3/8 adapter. These are pricey, dude. And they already had this here. So that's what we're gonna have to do. And then, yeah. Okay. Looks a little something like that. Now let's test it. So as you can see, everything works. But it's coming out right there. So the homeowner called the contractor that did all this to see what they had envisioned for a single stub out for water. I could probably jerry rig something to make that work and cap that off, but for that outdoor sink, this is a 3/8 by 1/2 inch adapter, and I could do that, and that would work. So I'm gonna ask the lady if she wants me to do that, but she seems to be a little pissed off at the contractor because there's only cold water. So anyway, all right. Just hang on there like that, like a ball sack. flopping around in the wind. Oh yeah. Beautiful job, if I do say so myself. All right, that's it.